Welcome to our tutorial on how to add stores using the Zeo platform. Adding stores helps you manage locations for drivers efficiently. Let's get started. Go to the dashboard, navigate to the user icon, and click on Settings. Navigate to Stores and click on the Add Store option. A new menu will appear where you will need to add the store location. Provide the store address here. You can also add store details, which include location name. This is a nickname you can provide for easy reference when assigning a driver to a store. Area code. This field helps in making route navigation more convenient and effective. Latitude and longitude. These details help to track the position of the stop on the globe and improve the route optimization process. Delivery zones. Once enabled, you can specify the geographic areas on the map around the store that will be serviceable. Use the map. Click on the cursor option right above the map. Then set any coordinate as a corner point and create a closed boundary. This boundary defines the servicing range for the store. Once added, click on the Save option and the new store is added. And that's it. You've successfully added a store, ensuring better management of locations for your drivers. Thanks for watching.